Some recipes don't need fancy ingredients to feel special. Today's recipe combines fresh prawns and moolo gently cooked in rich coconut milk to create a dish that's light, comforting, and full of flavor. Hi, my dear friends, welcome back to my channel Noila Creations. Here I have moolo. Now let's peel them. Chop the leaves like this. Now I'll wash them with plain water. Then cut the moolo like this. To prepare the masala, in a mixer jar, add 1 cup of grated coconut, half tablespoon of coriander seeds, half inch of peeled ginger, 5 cloves of garlic, 1 green chili, 6 black peppercorns, half teaspoon of cumin seeds, less than half teaspoon of turmeric powder, marble size of tamarind, 1 cup of water as required. Cover the mixer jar with the lid and grind. Freshly prepared masala always gives homemade recipes an extra layer of flavor and aroma. Place a strainer on a bowl, transfer the masala into it. Extract the thick coconut milk. Then transfer the masala into the mixer jar, add water and grind. Now extract the thin coconut milk. Here I have 15 prawns. They are cleaned, deveined, washed and marinated with salt. Now let's start building the flavors that make this dish so comforting. Place a kadai on medium flame. Heat 2 tablespoons of oil in it. Add 1 chopped onion. Saute until the onion turns translucent. Next goes in 1 chopped tomato. Add 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste. Marinated prawns. Fresh prawns bring a wonderful seafood flavor that pairs perfectly with coconut milk. Once the prawns are cooked, add the moolo. Mix it well. Next goes in the thin coconut milk. Mix it. Add salt. Let it boil on low flame until the moolo are cooked. Then add the thick coconut milk. Add 1 green chili slit, half capsicum chopped. If you don't want to add capsicum, you can skip it. I'm adding half tablespoon of curry powder. If you don't want to add curry powder, you can skip it. I like adding curry powder since it gives a nice flavor. Mix it well and let it boil for 2 to 3 minutes on low flame. By the way, if you like this video, do give it a like, hype, share it with your family and friends, and subscribe for more recipes. Make sure to click on the bell icon to get notified the moment I upload a new video so that you don't miss any of my videos. Once ready, this dish is rich, comforting, and full of gentle Goan flavors. The prawns are tender and juicy, while the moolo becomes soft and beautifully absorbs the creamy coconut milk. Every spoonful is light yet satisfying, with a delicate sweetness from the coconut and the natural flavors of the seafood coming through perfectly. It's the kind of meal that doesn't need fancy ingredients to impress. Served with hot steamed rice, this traditional Goan favorite feels warm, homely, and comforting, making it perfect for a relaxed family lunch or dinner. One taste, and you'll understand why simple home cooked recipes continue to be loved generation after generation. See you all in the next video. Until then, happy cooking. Sending you calmness and good wishes always. Thanks for watching.